The third Scrum ceremony is the sprint review. The sprint review is held at the last day of the sprint. And this is the event where the team comes together and Scrum Master facilitates this and invites the product owner and the key stakeholders who might be involved in that sprint work. And everybody is looking at, based on what we did, what are some things that really got done and what are some things didn't get done. They're also looking at the overall product backlog. As the team was working on the sprint, did that anything else change in the product backlog that might inform a different priority for the next sprint? So this is a very informal meeting. This is not a project status meeting. This is for team to showcase on what are some of the progress that they've made. The other thing that's discussed in this meeting is what are potentially uses of this product increment that the team has just developed. What are some other products or competitive companies with similar feature doing? So it's a really good discussion to kind of really look at what's already done and how should they evolve the product backlog. And it kind of gives you some key takeaways for the team and the product owner. So sprint review is a meeting where you're just reviewing what the team did, and you want to watch out for some of these things. If you're working with this new team, chances are some sprint the team will say, we got all these things done, we have nothing to demo, and we just got some stories done, and we don't have a fully functional product. Is it important for the team to do sprint reviews still? I, as a Scrum Master, would highly recommend teams still do a review, even though if it's not fully functional, demoable product. It's important for stakeholders and the product owner to be there and give some feedback on the work that the team did. If the team knows that the sprint review is going to happen no matter what, the team's focus automatically will be on, okay, we're already going to have this review. Maybe we should have some kind of increment in the product that we can demo to our stakeholder. And whenever we have time, we want to at least have some really good question to ask on how we are evolving this product. Another thing that actually happened when I was working as a Scrum Master is the product owner or the key stakeholders not being in the sprint review, where you lose a lot of value of that meeting when you don't have anybody who can look at the product except the people who built it. And at that point, I, as a Scrum Master, had a conversation with the stakeholders and the product owner on being a little bit more available and treating the sprint review as a priority.